Hi everyone, today we will discuss about if three problems are given, how to find out the Lamy's theorem. As you can see the diagram, in this diagram what is given, three cylinders are there, cylinder or you can say as the sphere, three cylinder or sphere. So here three cylinder are piled in a rectangular dish as shown in the figure. See, this one is your rectangular dish, from here to here as you can see, this one is your rectangular dish. Okay, this one is the rectangular dish. In this rectangular dish, as you can see that from here to here, how much it is? 1.8 centimeter. How much it is? 1.8 centimeter it is given. Rectangular dish, how much it is given? 18 centimeter. Actually, it is how many? How much is there? 18 centimeter. This one is the 18 centimeter. And see here, sphere 1, sphere 2 or sphere 3 means cylinder 1, cylinder 2, and this one is the cylinder 3, cylinder 1, cylinder 2, and this one is the cylinder 3. Let us name as this one is the cylinder 1, this one as name as the cylinder 2, and this one is you can name as the cylinder 3, cylinder 1, cylinder 2, and this one you can name as the cylinder 3. Now how much radius is given here? 5 centimeter. For this, how much radius is given? 6 centimeter. For third one, how much radius is given? 4 centimeter. The load of this one is equal to 20 Newton. The load of this one is equal to 40 Newton. The load of this one is equal to 15 Newton. And from here to here, how much it is there? 18 centimeter. From here to here, how much it is there? 18 centimeter. This is 1, this one is 2, and this one is 3. So section 1, section 2, and this one is the section 3. What you have to do, you have to first find out the wherever the point is lying, means wherever the touching point is there, that one you have to consider. So here as you can see that touching point for this one, here you can find one touching point to 1, here you find another point 2, here you can find the third point 3, here you can find the fourth point, and here you can find out the fifth point, and here you can find out the sixth point. Here like this, wherever the touching is there, wherever the two spheres are meeting and wherever the sphere and ball are meeting, here like this you have to do. So here 1, this one is the 2, this one is the 3, this one is the 4, this one is the 5, and this one is the 6. Now it's up to you, whatever the indications and labeling you want to give, you can give. You can give 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, it's up to you. So this one, first one I will take as A, this one I will take as A sphere, this one as take as a B sphere, and this one you take as a C sphere, sphere A, sphere B, and sphere C, sphere A, sphere B, or sphere or cylinder A, cylinder B, or cylinder C. Now what you have to do, this one you can take as A, this point you can take as A, and this point you can take as AB. Why you are taking as AB? Now it is lying in between A and B, and this point you can take as a B, this point you can take as a B, and this point you can take as a BC, this point you can take as a BC, and here this point you can take as A, and here also same is there, this one you can take as A dash. It's up to you, whatever the indication you want to follow, you can follow this indication. So this one is the A, and here wherever touching point is there, you can take as AB, and this one you can take as a B, and this one you can take as a BC, and this one you can take as A dash, and this one you can take as A. Now the first thing is that if you want to resolve A, B, C, first you have to resolve the A. If you resolve the A, then next step you have to resolve the B. If you resolve the B, next step you have to resolve the C. So like this you have to resolve. For that, what you have to do, first you have to take this sphere A. This is the sphere A. Now I am drawing the sphere A. First I will write the self weight. How much self weight is there? How much self weight is there? 20 Newton. How much self weight is given? 20 Newton. And radius, next step I have to write the radius. From here to here, how much? How much it is? 5 centimeter. How much it is there? 5 centimeter. After that, I have to locate wherever the touching point is there. For this sphere, the touching point is somewhere here, and this one you name as A, and another touching point is somewhere here. This one you name as AB. This one you name as AB. Why you name as AB? Because it is lying between A and B. Because it is lying between A and B. That's why you name as AB. After that, what you have to do? First, you have to find out the reaction. I told you how to find out the reaction. After touching that point, it should be touch the center. After touching that point, it should be touch the center. Suppose if I draw like this, like this, so this can be say as RA. This one I can say as a RA. Why I am saying this one as RA? After touching this, it will touch the center. After touching this, it will touch the center. Also, I can say as a RA. Next one here, this one I can take as a RAB, reaction at AB, reaction at AB. This is reaction at AB. As you can see here, after touching this point, it will touch the center. After touching this point, it will touch the center. So, this is RA and this one is the RAB. This one is RA and this one is the RAB, and here load is there. Load is equal to how much? 20 Newton, and here radius is there. Radius is equal to how much? From here to here radius is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. Radius is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. Now what you have to do? After this you have to go for the vector diagram. You have to go for the vector diagram. For vector diagram, first you have to take which axis this is? Y axis. Which axis you have to consider? This one? Y axis, and this one is your x axis. This one is your which axis? X axis. This one is your y axis and this one is your x axis. What you have to do? First you have to locate the self weight. How much self weight is there? How much self weight is there? 20 Newton. So this here to here, how much self load is there? 20 Newton. How much self load is there? 20 Newton. After locating self load, next you have to concentrate on the reactions. Here this reaction is known as RA, and at which axis it is going? On x axis. See, this reaction can be say as RA. On which axis it is going? X axis. After that, any other touching point here? In which quadrant it is going? In which quadrant? Second quadrant. So this one you can take as the, this one you can take as the RAB. This one you can take as the RAB. Now the thing is that here between these two forces, how many forces are there total? Force 1, force 2, force 3. Totally how many forces are there? 3 forces are there. Whenever 3 forces are there, you can apply the Lamy's theorem. The thing is that between the two forces, you must know the angle. How much angle is there? If you know the angle, then only you can apply the force. So as you can see here, between these two forces from here to here, you know the angle. How much angle is there? 90 degree. Between these two forces, how much angle is there? 90 degree. But you don't know what is the angle between these two. From this force to this force, you don't know the angle. From this force to this force, you don't know the angle. For that, first you have to try to find out this angle. If you know this angle, easily you can find out this angle. If you know this angle, easily you can tell this angle, and this one also you can tell. So here this angle you have to find out. For finding this angle, again you have to take this sphere. This is the sphere 1 and this one is the sphere 2. This one is the sphere 1. This is the sphere A. Here the center, and this one is the sphere 2, and here the center somewhere. Here the center, and this one is the vertical line, means walls are there or rectangle channel is there. In rectangle channel it is located. See, like this you can see, this is the symbol of fix, and here also this side is also fixed and this side is also fixed. Now what I am doing, I am considering this one is the A and this one is the B. This one is the A, this one. Now why I am not taking here third one? Because I have to find out this angle. For finding this angle, it is lying between A and B, between A and B. So I have to find out between A and B. So what is the angle between A and B? So what you have to do, see, after that what you have to do, For A, how much radius is given from here to here? How much radius is given? 5 centimeter. For B, how much radius is given? 6 centimeter. So, here to here radius you have to take. This one is the 5 and this one is the 6. First one is the, this is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Total how much it will be? 11 centimeter. Total how much it will be? 11 centimeter. For first sphere, radius is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. For second sphere, radius is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. 5 plus 6 is equal to how much? 11 centimeter. For balancing this one, you have to introduce horizontal and vertical. What you have to introduce? Horizontal and vertical. For balancing this one, what you have to introduce? Horizontal and vertical. If you find out this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle. So, what I am doing? I am drawing here. See, this like this I am drawing here. This one I am considering as the angle. I know this one how much it is there? 11 centimeter. How much it is there? 11 centimeter. I know very well. Now, what I have to do? I know this one is also from here to here. How much it is there? 18 centimeter. This is how much is equal to 18 centimeter. And the radius of this one is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. And the radius of this is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Radius of first one is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. Radius of second is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. So, what you have to do? You have to subtract. If you want to find out this side from here to here, how much is there? From here to here, how much is there? What you have to do? Total is how much? 18 is there. Total you select the 18. From 18 you have to minus. What you have to minus? This from here to here, how much it is there? 6. 6 plus from here to here, how much it is there? 5. See, this side how much is there? 5. This side how much it is there? 6. 6 plus 5 how much it is? 11. So, what you have to write here? 11. So, 18 minus, see sorry, here what you have to write? 5. So, 6 plus 5 will be 11. So, 18 minus 11 will be 7. So, this side you know very well how much it is? 7 centimeter. How much it is? 7 centimeter. This side is equal to how much? 11 centimeter, and this side is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. See, whatever the angle is there, opposite side you will always consider as this one is the opposite, and incline you have to consider as the hypotenuse, and this one you have to consider as the adjacent. This one you have to consider as the opposite. This one you have to consider as the hypotenuse, and this one you can consider as the adjacent. After that you have two things. First one is the adjacent, second one is the hypotenuse. So, adjacent by hypotenuse will be cos theta. Like this I will write here, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Like that only you have to write cos theta as that is only adjacent. Adjacent is equal to how much? 7. Write on 7. Hypotenuse is equal to how much? 11. Write on 11. Here you got. Then what you have to do? Theta is equal to cos inverse of 7 by 11. Theta is equal to cos inverse of. With the help of calci, you have to try to solve this one. See here. 7 by See here, with the help of calci, here you have to take first fraction. Before that fraction, what you have to do? Shift cos. As you can see here, shift, then which one you have to press? Cos. First you have to take shift, then you have to press cross. After that you have to open the fraction button. In fraction button, what is the here value? 7 is there. Another value is equal to how much? 11. So, if you close this one, cos inverse of 7 by 11, how much you are getting? 50.47. How much you are getting value? 50.47. As you can see, cos inverse of 7 by 11, you are getting 50.47 or 50.48. You can write as a 50.48. So, here 50.48 degree. How much the theta you got? 50.48 degree. You got the value of theta 50.4. So, this theta is equal to this theta and this theta is equal to this theta. For finding this theta, what we done? We have taken that two sphere, which is sphere that see this force is lying between A and B, this force is lying between A and B. So, sphere 1 you selected, sphere 2 you selected, this is the sphere 1 and this one is the sphere 2. In between these two, okay na, B sphere 1 and this one is the sphere 2. In between these two, what we have done? So, here theta we selected, theta is equal to from here to here how much it is? 6 centimeter. From here to here how much it is? 5 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter and this one is the 5 centimeter. So, after that you got that triangle. From this triangle 18 is there. From 18 minus this side you have to subtract how much this side? 6 centimeter. How much this side? 5 centimeter. So, 6 plus 5 how much it is? 11. 18 minus 11 is equal to how much? 7. So, you got the one side, this one is the 7, this one is your adjacent, this one is your hypotenuse. So, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So, here cos theta is equal to adjacent by adjacent is equal to how much? 7, hypotenuse is equal to how much? 11. So, cos inverse of 7 by 11 you got the theta value 50.48. So, here you can write in place of this theta you can write here theta is equal to 50.48 degree. How much theta is there? 50.48 degree. Now, the remaining thing you have to find out, remaining theta is how much you have to find out. You know very well from here to here how much angle will be there? 90. From 90 how much is occupy? 50.48. So, what you have to do? 90 minus 50.48, 90 minus 50.48, press SD, you will get the answer 39.52. So, remaining this angle is equal to from here to here how much it is? From here to here how much angle it is? 39.52. From here to here how much you got? 39.52. See, after getting this you know very well what is you know from this axis to this force, from RA to this axis how much will be there? 90 will be there. 90 plus 39.52, 90 plus 39.52. So, from here to here you have to take from this point to this point how much? 90 plus 39.52. So, here 90 plus 39.52. See, 90 plus 39.52, you will get some answer. How much? 129.52. So, from here to 129.52, this angle you got. Forget about this angle and forget about this angle also. No, this one you need 50.48 degree. So, here you got 129.52. How much you got? 129.52. After that what you have to do? You have to see from here to here how much it is there? From here to here how much it is there? 90. 90 plus 50.48. So, what you have to do? 90 plus 50.48. 90 plus 50.48. So, here you will get some answer 140.48. So, here from here to here you know the angle, from here to here you know the angle, how much it is? 140.48, 140.48. See, from here to here how much it is? 90. From here to here how much it is? 129.52, and from here to here how much it is? 140.48. As you can see, between these two forces you know, between these two forces you know the angle, and between these two forces you know the angle, and how much self load is there? 20 kilonewton. This one can be taken as a RA, this one can be taken as a RAB. Whenever the three forces are there, you can go for the Lamy's theorem, you can go for the Lamy's theorem. So, here I can apply the Lamy's theorem. I am erasing this one. Here I can go for the Lamy's theorem. Whenever three forces are there, you can go for the Lamy's theorem. In Lamy's theorem, what you have to do? First, you have to draw how many forces are there. 3 forces. See, this is the one force RA. This one is the second force RAB, and here the 20 kilonewton is there. And between these two, how much angle is there? 90 degree. Between these two, how much angle is there? 129.52. And between these two, how much angle is there? 140.48. So, how to draw Lamy's theorem? See here. First, write down the Lamy's theorem. P by sin alpha is equal to Q by sin beta is equal to R by sin gamma. P by sin alpha is equal to Q by sin beta is equal to R by sin gamma. This is the Lamy's theorem. P by sin alpha is equal to Q by sin beta is equal to R by sin gamma. In this Lamy's theorem, what the good thing about Lamy's theorem is that you can select the any force. If you want to select RA, you can select RA. If you want to select RAB, you can select RAB. If you want to select 20 Newton, you can select the 20 Newton. What I am doing, first I am selecting the RA. First I am selecting the RA. If I select the RA, how many forces are remaining? 2 forces. First one is the RAB, second one is the 20 Newton. First one is the RAB, second one is the 20 Newton. In between these two, what is the angle? 140.48. So, first I am selecting RA. If I selected RA, what you have to do? Between these two forces, what is the angle? 140.48 sin 140.48 you have to write. Sin with the help of, if you selected this one, how many forces are remaining? 2 forces. This is the first force and this one is the second force. Between these 2 forces, what is the angle? 140.48. 140.48. After that, you have to select RAB. After that, which one you have to select? RAB. See, if you select the RAB, how many forces are remaining? RA and 20 Newton. RA and 20 Newton. Between these two, what is the angle here? 90 degree. Between these two, what is the angle here? 90 degree. So, what you have to write? Sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree. RAB by sin 90 degree. After that, what you have to do? You have to select this force. How much force is there here? 20 Newton. So, what you have to write here? 20 by sin you have to write here. If you select this one, what are the 2 forces are remaining? RAB and RA. Between that, what is the angle? 129.52. So, here you have to write 129.52. As you can see here, you do not know the value of RA and you do not know the value of RAB. So, what you have to do? Known, unknown. This one is the known, unknown, and here also known, unknown. Go for first one. So, what you have to write here? RA by sin 140.48 is equal to 20 by sin 129.52. Okay na? RA by sin 140.48 is equal to 20 by sin 129.52. For this, what you have to do? You have to go for the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication somewhat like this is there. RA sin 129.52 is equal to 20 sin 140.48. So, here what you have to do? RA is equal to 20 sin 140.48 by sin 129.52. Okay na? Sin 129.52. So, here what you have to do, with the help of calci, try to find out the value of RA. Use this third row. If you press this one, automatically fraction will become numerator and denominator. First value is equal to how much? 20 into, first value is equal to how much? 20 into sin 140.48, close the bracket. Then next value is equal to sin 129.52. then 16.49. How much you got the value of? 16.49. This is the value of RA. What I type here? 20 sine 140.48 by sine 129.52. So here I got the value of 16.49 or 16.50. You can write like this also. RA is equal to 16.50 Newton. RA value is equal to how much? 16.50 Newton. After finding RA value, next step you have to find out the value of RAB. Next step you have to find out the value of RAB. For finding the value of RAB, what you have to do? Again you have to go for known and unknown. Again here you have to go for known and unknown. So here what is the known and unknown? Here already you took first and last. Then you have to take second and last. What is the second value? I will write here. What is the second value? RAB by sine 90 degree is equal to 20 by sine 129.52. RAB by sine t is equal to 20 by sine 129.52. Again here what you have to do? You have to go for cross multiplication. For cross multiplication, RAB is equal to sine 129.52 is equal to 20 by sine 90 degree. Sine 90 degree. So here RAB is equal to 20 sine 90 degree by sine 129.52. So here RAB is equal to, again here you have to solve with the help of calci. Here fraction button I already told you, this is the fraction button is there. After that what you have to do? 20 into sine 90 by sine 129.52. If you press that 25.92, how much you got? 25.93. So here you can write 25.93, more than 5 you got, so 25 point. From this you will get the value of RA, and here you will got the value of RB. Like this you have to find out the value of reaction at A, reaction at B. See, reaction at A and reaction at AB you got. After that you have to find out the reaction at B, how much is there, then reaction of BC, then reaction of A, then reaction of A dash also you have to find out with the help of this one. Once again I will tell you, whenever like this one sphere is given, if 2 sphere is given, if 3 sphere is given, like this you have to find out. Here how many spheres are given? 3 spheres are given. This is the sphere 1 and this one is the sphere 2 and this one is the sphere 3. From here to here how much it is given? 18 centimeter is given. How much it is given? 18 centimeter. So what you have to do, if anything is not given indication, you can locate anything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you can locate. But suppose if any specification is given, according to that here only you can take this one as sphere 1, sphere 2 or sphere 3, or I to select this one as the A, this one I selected as a B and this one I selected as a C, sphere A, sphere B and this one as the sphere C. When you touch here sphere A, it is lying between A and B, that's why AB, here B is there, and this one is lying between B and C, that's why I take as a B and C, and here A is there and here A dash is there, here A dash is there. As you can see that, now what you have to do, after that you have to take this, first select this one. First you have to try to find out this angle. From here to here, how much angle is there? If you know this angle, easily you can find out. See, if you in this problem, you have to find out this theta 1. This one is the theta 1. Another angle is there, you have to find out. This one you have to consider as the, from here to here, this one you have to consider as the theta 2. If this 2 you have to find out. This one is the theta 1 and this one is the theta 2. This is the value of theta 1 and this one is the value of theta 2. With the help of cos theta only you have to find out cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Here you can find out the theta 1 and from this you can find out the theta 2. Like this you have to remember. After finding this RA and RAB, in next thing in next section what you have to do? You have to find out B and you have to find out BC and you have to find out A dash and you have to find out A. Like this you have to find out in next section.